what took place yesterday with the euro is that I think the concern over the Greece situation has eased a little bit, has not gone away, eased down a little bit. So now we're seeing the reversal time breaking out the 61.8. We could see the market go down to the 78.6% retracement. I'm not a big technical trader, but these are the areas which also matches a congestion area during the Asian session. So that could give us a possibility to buy from that area as the trend for euro should also go up. So we do have several things lining up for us to be taking possible trades. So just keep that in mind. And of course, if you already made your money today, like I did, I will probably just stay out of the market and then call it an early weekend. But for those of you who missed the cat trade, you might be thinking about taking another trade. Well, here's your chance. You have the pound dollar getting close to the 153.00. You have the euro dollar getting close within 10 pips to the 135.58, which for me, I think that would be a good area for enter. You have the pound yen hitting the 143.23. So all of those trades are likely, and I think they're all feasible for us to be jumping in, and market should reverse and give you at least 30 pips on this one. I would say don't be greedy. Don't try to shoot for 100 pips or whatever. Go for 30, 35 pips. I think that should give you enough open market. So these are some suggestions I want to give to you guys, and I think we'll see the market reverse back pretty soon. And if the trend were to resume, this will be the time to enter them. Or you can wait until maybe 5 to 15 minutes after the release, and then we'll see the market resuming. So this is basically how you trade a market cycle. You wait for the cycle, and we didn't get in on the sell because actually the market started to decline even hours ago. But once the market cycle is completed, the reversal time is over, we'll see the market resume going back up. So this is how you look at it, and you know that if you try to get in, let's say an hour ago, you'll be at such a bad entry. You try to get in even 15 minutes ago, you'll be at a bad entry. But if you just be patient, wait for the market cycle to be over, and then look at the market, revalue the market, then now you're being presented with so many much better options than if you would wasting your time sitting in front of a computer and try to force a trade. So that is why, guys, learn the market cycle, memorize the times, and put it to use. And that is the basis of my trading. And it is one of those things that is so often overlooked. And it's just effective, and if you just constantly work with it, this will change your trade, because it will give you an edge that normally you don't get when analyzing the market. So as you can see, we're already seeing the market start to bounce back a little bit, but the lines has been drawn 61.8% on this one, 61.8% on this one, and this is also 61.8% if I'm not mistaken for the reversal. So we're going to see the market start heading in the original direction. So these recommendations, guys, feel free to take them. It's up to you, but remember, leverage, use low leverage. That's the best thing. Guys, once again, I want to point out about the market cycle. We see the market bounce back immediately, and hopefully this will increase your confidence on the market cycle. And it's almost on the dot. See this bounce back immediately. And how do I know it's going to bounce back? Because I know today is a risk appetite day. And by judging what took place earlier on and yesterday, with the Greece situation out. See, the only risk aversion news that's going on so far is the Greece debt crisis that's causing traders to be concerned. But once that's out of the way, we have nothing but risk appetite. So direction is up. We wait for retracement. And when the retracement takes place during market cycle, we just wait for it to come down. And you can draw the fib lines like I did, the daily range, and look for a support line close to it. Then you jump in, and bam, that's the way to make profit. If you take any of these trades, you will start seeing profit already. So it's almost like having an edge that no other traders has. So really, once again, my recommendation, guys, get to know market cycle, memorize the times, and try to remember what we're looking at today. Of course, one thing that has to do hand in hand with market cycle is knowing the trend of where the market is going. Market cycle might be easy to learn, but seeing the market, reading the market might take a little bit longer. But it's really not, doesn't require a degree in economics, doesn't require you just need to know what you should know. And that's it. Like what news is important, what news you should be paying attention to, and just spend your time on those news, and that's it. So once again, I want to point this thing out. We don't get this kind of examples every day, but for today, it worked out perfectly. When I started talking, pound yen was right around the 30 area, and when I finished talking, it has already moved up 36 pips. Not to talking about the euro. Euro was around the 70, and you went as far as 27 pips. Pound dollar, same thing, went up 30 pips already. So if you take all three trades, that's 100 pips. Okay, so once again, I want to wish you guys a great weekend, and I'll talk to you guys on Sunday. All right? Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.